A few things I learned in my first year of vlogging. Stories emerge naturally, but they're also constructed. So if you don't like the way your story is going, change it. Make it better. Just relaxing and being natural on camera. For me, that's the challenge. Editing is everything. And lastly, trust your instincts. If it feels like shit, it probably is. But if it makes you feel excited or is inspiring, take that feeling and run with it. And oh yeah, one more. Finding a quiet place to film is an absolute treasure.